In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on a computer or laptop. To get started, open any web browser that is already installed on your computer. This could be Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you currently have available. The reason we begin here is simple. You need a browser in order to access the official Chrome download page safely and quickly. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar or address bar and type in Chrome Download for PC. After that, press Enter and look through the results carefully. You'll want to click the correct result, ideally the official Google Chrome download page. Taking a moment to choose the right link is important because downloading software from the official source helps make sure you're getting the latest version and a secure installer. When the page opens, you should see a button that says Download Chrome. Click that button to begin the download. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, the file may start downloading right away, or you may be asked where you want to save it. In most cases, the download will appear at the bottom of the browser window or in your computer's Downloads folder. As soon as the file finishes downloading, go ahead and open it. On some computers, you can simply click the downloaded file directly from the browser. On others, you may need to open your Downloads folder first and then double-click the installer file. Once you launch it, your computer may ask for permission to allow the app to make changes. If that message appears, select the option to continue so the installation can begin. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. The installer will guide you through the rest of the process, and in most cases, it only takes a few moments. During installation, your computer may load for a short time while Chrome is being set up properly. After the installation is complete, Google Chrome should open automatically, or you can find it in your applications or desktop shortcuts and open it manually. At that point, the browser is ready to use. And that's it. If you follow these steps carefully, installing Google Chrome on your computer or laptop is usually quick and straightforward. Take your time. Make sure you select the correct download page and follow the on-screen prompts exactly as they appear for the smoothest experience.